What's up, bro? Not wasting your time. You picked up a new good hobby. You visualized your future life, wife, house, car, and every other thing you want in your life. You close your eyes, you picture these things in first point of view, which is really important. But I figured that you might miss something. The only way visualizations can work is when your mind can tell the difference between your memories and things you picture. And you know when it happens. Now try to remember anything from your past, like a year ago and further down the line. Anything, any memory you can come up with right now somehow triggered your emotions back then. So, what is the purpose of visualizations? It is to create memories of your future in order to let your subconsciousness make it come true, of course, with the help of the universe. Since every memory you can think of right now is connected with emotions, you need to feel them. Which means you're gonna have to at least smile, bro. Be honest. Did you sit and visualize how you're driving a car you've always wanted to have? With completely straight up poker face? In total silence? How well do you think it'll work? Don't you think you would wear the biggest smile if you were driving a Lambo right now? So at least smile, even if you don't feel like it. Fake it till you make it. Smile and then run the thought through your mind that you are driving that car in the city you want to live in with the girl you want. Bet your ass you would grin from ear to ear. So first, smile. Now, the most effective way to attach emotions to what you're visualizing is to listen to music. Now, think of that moment when you heard this song you had listened to years ago, and that brought you some memories in which the song was playing. I'm sure you had that. So, since music is so good at it, we're gonna use it. You can create your own scenario. I'm gonna describe mine here. For example, I'm in my car I want, with the girl I want, on the crossroad, waiting for the green light in the city I wanna live in. Listen to music I like. I visualize this every single day, so you can try it. That's pretty much it. If you want visualizations to work the way you want it to, smile and listen to music. That's it. Goodbye.